starting with the greatest laws most merciful and beneficent. It's a great privilege to be here and present a topic among you. My topic name is sentence and its type. First, word sentence. Sentence is a group of words which give us clear and complete meaning. It's called sentence. For example, she cooks food. In a sentence, we have three types in a simple sentence. First, we have the subject, then we have verb, then we have object. After object, we always put the full stop. And there's another sentence, they play football. Ali is a good boy. Then, now we come towards the type of sentence. In part 1, we studied about the type of sentences according to purpose. First, we have the simple sentence. Simple sentence are those sentences which give us a simple statement and in which we have one subject, one verb and one object. It's called the simple sentence. For example, we play hockey. It is a simple sentence. Then we have negative sentence. Those sentences which give us a negative statement is called the negative sentence. For example, she does not cook food. This does not show the negative statement. Therefore, we called it the negative sentence. And these two are come in the category of affirmative sentence. And this simple sentence can be positive sentence, declarative sentence, assertive sentence. It have a lot of names, but the sentence that give a simple statement is called the simple sentence. Then those sentences in which we ask questions that are called the interrogative sentence. And there's a note that at the end of interrogative sentence we always use question mark. Like for example, what are you doing? What is your name? So these are interrogative sentence. Those sentences in which we give order, command, and we give any request, those are called the imperative sentence. For example, close the door, stand up, close the window, open the door. These are called the imperative sentence. Then exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences in which we give the sudden feelings, the strong feelings and emotions are called the exclamatory sentence. And there's also a note at the last of exclamatory sentence, at the mid of exclamatory sentence, we always use the one line and this dot. This is called the exclamatory mark. And we always use mostly at the end we use, but in some cases we use at the beginning of sentence. For example, wow, what a beautiful car. So in the beginning, after subject we use our this exclamatory mark. Then goes towards the optative sentence. Optative sentence are those sentences in which we talk about the wish or we give the blessing to someone. For example, I wish you will die. And like if we give anyone curse, we also use for this, and may Allah bless you. And we can use might also in optative sentence. For example, might you have scare from forbidden forest. First we study about sentence. There are few examples and the type of sentences. There's a part 1 according to purpose, and according to structure remaining I will cover it at the second video. Then I hopefully think that you may understand this all things and it will be fruitful for you for the future. Thank you so much.